Hey everybody, so up next we decided to go ahead and visit Tillamook Factory, which is located in the Tillamook region of Oregon. And so it's pretty cool that they have basically self-guided tours here, and one of the noticeable features about Tillamook is actually their mac and cheese and their ice cream. Of course you gotta get grilled cheese sandwiches too, right? But we went ahead and did the factory tour, which took about anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, just kind of seeing how they process their cheese. Now, unfortunately, they didn't really have any of the actual machines running, but it was just kind of cool to see how they would essentially implement and make some of their cheeses. So after you make your way towards the self-guided tour, we ended up going shopping and just kind of taking a look at some of their retail shops that they wouldn't otherwise sell, at least in most local retailers. So I ended up purchasing this Kyla hard kombucha alcoholic beverage drink, and we also ended up buying another flavor of lavender lemonade kombucha. Ended up ordering a Caesar salad, obviously the grilled cheese sandwich, and mac and cheese. Ended up also purchasing some smoked black pepper samples of cheese, as well as a nice big large packet of sharp white cheddar. So, all right,